I'm often asked, what tools should I get to start working on my bike? There's a lot of choices, but after just a couple of essentials, I recommend getting yourself a good repair stand. And surprise, these are a couple that I like. They make repair more fun. Working on a bike upside down is a drag and confusing. But when your bike is up in the air and fixtured secure in your park tool repair stand, things are easy to get to. Parts are easy to change out. Pedals, cranks, tires, take your wheels out, and you're ready to get to work. With your bike up in a park tool repair stand, you can really begin to comprehend how things work. Pedals spin, cranks turn, chains glide, wheels stop. When you see how it works, then you understand how to fix it, and that's the real fun. Although we got the part up in the repair stand, it's still awkward. I can't get that, but because it's in the repair stand, it's up, I can get different options easily. Now I'm over here, I've got good mechanical advantage. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Park Tool Repair Stand. Park Tool Repair Stand puts this up where I can really see the dirt and get this beautiful. And it also lets me clean the chain easily. The Park Tool Repair Stands bring that bike up to you. In addition, it can rotate. There we go. Now we can see this bike like we've never seen it before. And that's why I say the basis of any good shop is your Park Tool Repair Stand. These things really let you say, it's a great day to fix a bike. So get yours today, online or offline. The PCS 9.3 and 10.3 are available now.